What up, though, YouTube? It's your boy Kelvin J, and I'm back with another video. Today, I'm bringing y'all an unboxing. James Oral.
Hey, you know when you just want to dream big, you can't let nobody hold you down, man. Don't let nobody stop you from what you.
All right, y'all. So I got the James Oral sunglasses here. I didn't see many reviews on these things, so I said, hey, let me go ahead and show y'all what it's about. Now, I came across James Oral a year or two ago, a couple years ago, back when he was selling his glasses for $60. They was only like $60, and now he's selling these things for $140. So he done basically over doubled the price that he charging for these things. Are they good quality? I'm gonna go ahead and say yes. Are they worth $140? Yes and no. You know, I would say no on the sense of the name just isn't really there yet. You know what I'm saying? I don't know how much he pays for these. Maybe he pay a lot for these, so they could be worth $120. But I'm just basing it against like Ray-Bans and like, you know, different eyewear like name companies that people know of. You know, a lot of people never heard of James Oral. But overall, this is the box it comes in. Comes in a nice box. It's got like a cool little shoebox type of shoe drawer type pull out type vibe. Smooth, good air seal. The quality smells good. Open that up. Boom, you got that, 2 boxes. Then you got this box that comes out, right? So this box comes out of it, and you got like a leatherish type of thing. It also comes with a little warranty thing. That little James Oral warranty. You got that. I think that's pretty cool. And that's for like if it's damage on their end, if it's like something wrong with it on their end. If you mess it up, jack it up yourself, that warranty is not gonna cover it, y'all. Just so you know. But so we got this box here. We got the pleather, you know what I'm saying? We got the nice pleather going on here, the nice fake leather. Smells good, smells fresh. Open that up. Boom. And then I like this, it's got like a spring type of casing. That's pretty cool. And I like his branding, man. Like I don't remember when he was selling them for 60. I don't recall him having so much branded done, you know what I'm saying? But now he's got his name on everything. I think that's really dope. You got your cloth, regular cloth that comes with it. And then this even got James Oral on it too. He got his name embossed on that too, James Oral. So that's pretty dope. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, anything that's you putting your branding on there, that just make you people want to buy it more, compared to just saying, hey, come buy my stuff, and you ain't even got your branding on it. So it comes in a nice case, a decent quality case. You can also use this to clean the lenses. That's what I'll be doing. Nice little drawstring. And I think they had plastic on it when I first bought it. When I first opened it up, it did have like plastic wrapping over the glasses. And then here we go, we got them here. These I got the red authentic 2s. I wanted them black joints, but them black joints always sold out, man. James Oral, man, what you doing? I need them black ones, man. Come on now. Them black ones ain't never in stock. Let me get them black joints. But you know what I'm saying? Hopefully this video gets some views for you, man, and maybe you can, you know, go ahead and sponsor me and send me a pair of them black joints, man. Them things is tough. So I'm just cleaning the lens here. You know, obviously better to use the cloth, but I just be using this. So we got the James Orals, you know what I'm saying? So we got the J on there, you know what I'm saying? You got the James Oral J. I think that's pretty dope. Plus I'm Kelvin J, so they look perfect on me. You got the Oral on the lens, you see on the cut. I don't know if y'all can see that. You got the little Oral right there. I love that. You gotta have a branding cut in there. You got it on the tip. We got a J on the tip. You know what I'm saying? I mean, not a J, we got the Oral. We got the Oral on the gold tips. And I love the branding, like I said, on the inside. We got the Authentics. We got the labels in there. Got the labels in there. You know what I'm saying? That's pretty dope. Words right there. So it says James Oral Collection 1. authentic twos. These is the 5420. The 5420 on the sides. And then it says made in China. So wherever James Oro be getting these jumps from, they being made in China. I don't know if he buying them in bulk or what, but them jumps hitting. You know what I'm saying? I do like them. I like how it's got the two-tone, so I can tilt my head up a little bit if I'm trying to see clear, regular daylight, you know what I'm saying? But if I want to be in that zone and set the mode, I just tilt my head down a little bit. Now I'm seeing all red, you know what I mean? Everything blood, everything dripped out, you know what I'm saying? So I like that. And like I said, I want to go back. I can't see it. It's too ready. It's too bloody. I can't see. Boom. We back in the sunlight, baby. We back. We can see. You know what I'm saying? That's why I love that two-tone. That two-tone, you know, be hitting right. You know, overall, they some nice shades, man. They quality. You know what I'm saying? And I like you get the payment plan too. So I ain't paying. You know, I'm balling on a budget. You know what I mean? So I ain't paying. Didn't pay no $140 for the whole thing. Just you know, you pay the bi-weekly payment plan is like $35 every 2 weeks, and all the way up to $140. And boom, you get them right on the app to pay, just like that. And that's it, man. That's the James Oros. So like I said, go ahead and check these out, man. I don't know who James is in person. I've never even seen what he looked like. Like, show us what you look like, man. I don't even know what you look like. But definitely go ahead and check these glasses out, man, if you're trying to get a pair. I think they pretty dope. You know what I'm saying? I definitely love them. I'll definitely be buying more for sure, especially with the payment plan. Like $35 every 2 weeks for some very fashionable glasses. I mean, you know, you can't beat it, you know what I mean? You really can't beat it. So, like I said, those is the James Oros, y'all. Go on, check them out. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. And I normally don't even wear gold. I'm a silver guy. You know what I mean? But I like these on me, man. I can get down with these, man. I can get down with these. So yeah, y'all go ahead and check out James Oro, man. JamesOro.com. Google him. Check out. He got a whole bunch of different designs on there, different wider styles, slimmer styles. Oh yeah, another reason I really like them is because they look almost like Cardis. You know what I'm saying? I'm from Detroit. You know what I'm saying? 7 Mile, stay rapping. You know, I'm from Detroit, West Side, and you know, Cartiers is like crack in Detroit. You know what I'm saying? People get killed, murdered, shot, all kind of stuff happen in Detroit over Cartier glasses. And one of the reasons I like these is because they do give off that Cartier vibe. You know what I'm saying? They got that Cartier look for just $140 compared to, you know, some $3,000 Cardi buffs or something like that. But y'all make sure y'all go ahead and smash that like button, man. Hit that notification bell, leave a comment below, man, and share this video. Let me know what y'all think about the James Oro frames, and I'm out.
Yeah, we on the block with it, don't know what you talking about. Got you leaking hard, about to be a drought. Red hat with the MAGA, check my mental health. Yeah, I'm doing fine, I stacked it on the shelf. I'm in the lack with the beam on them. 2A never slipping, make it steam on them. Leotards always tripping, gotta lean on them.